This is the speaking test for the International English Language Testing System held on 17th of August 2022. The candidate is Fariya Afreen and the examiner is Pooja B. Could you please tell me your full name?
My name is Fariya Afreen.
And what can I call you?
You can call me Fariya.
Thank you, Fariya. Which place do you come from?
I come from Bangalore, like Bangalore's been my native. All the generations of my family is from Bangalore.
So in the first part of this test, we will be discussing on general questions about yourself. So are you a student or do you work?
I am a student.
What are you studying?
I am doing engineering
In which branch?
in electronics and communication.
Why did you choose that course?
I prefer to choose electronic and communication because this is a course which is a bridge between both the hardware part of the system and the software part. So I wanted to do electronics and communication.
So do you feel your friends are supportive and help you a lot during the course?
Yeah, they're really helpful. I have a friend called Arshia. She's been a lot of help from day one. She helped me in all the aspects. Let it be about notes. If I take a holiday, she is the first one to send me notes, though I don't ask for it. So yes, my friends have been a great help.
Thank you. So with this, we come to the end of part 1. Coming to part 2. So I will be giving you a topic and you will have to talk about it. So you can use a pen and paper if you want. You will have a 1 minute time to prepare and you will have to talk for 2 minutes. So your topic is to talk about a personality who inspired you the most. You need to introduce the character and you need to tell why you got attracted or why is it that you have that character inspired you so much or the personality with that. So with this we come to the end of 1 minute and I hope you're prepared.
Yes.
So you can go on.
Yeah, the personality which inspired me a lot was my 10th standard teacher. Her name is Savita ma'am. She used to take me English literature and English grammar, both the subjects. She was the teacher who inspired me a lot in my 10th because 10th standard was the age, like when the time when we needed a lot of motivation on all the subjects and topics. She was the teacher who motivated me a lot to be strong enough. Introducing her. Yeah, she was my English teacher in standard 10th. She was one of the best teachers ever I have heard. The main reason, the personality, why I was attracted to her because she was such a calm teacher. She never used violence, no harsh words, nothing. But still, she knew how to handle people. People usually have imaginary heroes, but she is my real hero because. In the class, like there were many teachers who used to just come and tell us about all, and then if usually become harsh if people were not like they couldn't handle the crowd there. But she was one teacher whom we all were inspired. She used to use no harsh words, no strong languages, but then also she used to control the crowd so easily. She was once she had told me this thing in the class that. It's not the word, not actions matter, words are the things that matter. That is the thing that has still inspired me and I follow her still. And yeah, that is the reason she inspires me a lot, my teacher.
Thank you, and with this we come to the end of part 2. Going on to part 3. So since we have been talking about having a favorite personality who inspired us, let's discuss some more on it. So do you think it is necessary for every human to have one such personality in their life?
Yes, it is really necessary because as being humans, we all are not perfect. We need a role model in our life who inspires us to be better than what we are. Everyone, it's basically important to have a goal to achieve. In order that they achieve the goal easily, they need to have a role model.
Okay, so according to you, from what age should they start having a personality who can inspire them?
Age, I think Yeah, we have inspirations from childhood. Like for example, if we were 5 years kid, usually cartoons are the inspiration. And then once we grow a bit, like when we are like 9 years, 10 years, teachers become our inspirations. And then later on, there are certain personalities. Usually in today's time, we have TV actors as our role models. So yes, it is important. The age that I would tell, it's from the beginning, like from the time we are kids, we have role models.
Okay, so you said that it is very important for somebody to have a personality who can inspire them.
Yeah.
What if there is a scenario where some of them choose not to have one? So maybe they could go with a perspective statement, I'm a change maker, or going to stand as a personality who can inspire others. So what do you think about this?
They are great people. Like they consider themselves as a role model, which is like an amazing thing. Not everyone has this personality, but generally speaking, these people are role models for themselves, and it's a really great thing according to me.
Thank you, Faria. With this, we come to the end of our mock test. Thank you.
Thank you.